Hello, everybody, and welcome to this reading where the question concerned is when will I get a job? So, I have been seeing a lot of people, a lot of clients approaching, especially in the last 2 months, who have either lost a job due to the global pandemic situation or who are trying to go for a job change but they couldn't and they ended up feeling stuck. And there is so much happening on the job front. Most people feel that there is a lack of jobs are not available. There is a lot of stress going on in a lot of people's mind, and hence I thought I will do this reading so that all of you get guidance to know when will I get a job. So of course these three stacks which I have kept here represent three choices you have, and I have chosen three different amazing decks. I have chosen the Archangel Gabriel Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue because Gabriel talks about life purpose, and often our careers are either an extension of the life purpose or they show us what we shouldn't be doing. Which means if you are really enjoying your work, it makes you feel fulfilled, it makes you happy, it's your life purpose. And if you hate it and if you're only doing for the paycheck, it is showing you what you shouldn't be doing. So at some point of time, of course, you will move to your life purpose, and if you wish to do that, connect to Archangel Gabriel. This beautiful angel helps you with life purpose. And the second deck which I have chosen is Angels of Abundance Oracle cards, because of course when we think about career, we also think about abundance. We are doing, and of course we have the traditional tarot, the traditional deck of Rider-Waite. These are three choices. If you have come across this reading, it's not a coincidence, because this reading represents that this is for you. If you're watching it as if it is for you. So we have three stacks once again: stack number 1, stack number 2, and stack number 3. So take a deep breath, and if you have a question about your job, about when will I get a job, when will I find a new job, or even if you're looking for a promotion or you're looking for any change in your career, this reading is for you. So think of that question, connect to the energy of the reading, think of any god, goddesses, deities you believe in, and ask them that, dear god, goddess, dear deities, dear ascended master, dear angels, dear archangels, please help me get the solution to the question I'm seeking. May all that I'm ready to receive come to me right now. Take a deep breath and exhale, and I'm going to open stack number 1 now. So let us see. Okay, so there are three choices. This is a turquoise angel, gifted by one of my teachers. This is an amethyst angel. This amethyst angel was one of the first angels I received. It was given to me by one of my students who came to learn angel therapy with me, and I'm not a crystals teacher, but I do love crystals, of course. So she had gifted this was the first angels I ever received. And the black tourmaline, the last one, is the angel which I got it when I had gone to one of these beautiful shops in Glastonbury in Somerset. So, these are the three angels which I have. And if you've chosen the turquoise angel, here are your cards. Let us see what is shown up. Alright. So if you've chosen choice 1, the tarot card says you are amidst a lot of conflict. Probably there is a conflict going on at your workplace between you and your seniors or your juniors, or overall a lot of conflict. This could also signify conflict going on in your mind, whether to be in this job or to quit it. or if you are not yet having a job, you have a lot of conflict about what kind of job you could apply to. Your angels are telling you, especially Archangel Gabriel is telling you, that even if you're disappointed, keep going, which means keep your efforts on. A lot of times we give up believing that we don't deserve. So know that you deserve the good, and whatever efforts you are using, keep going with that. Because when you have your authentic emotion, you will be rewarded for it. Your angels are saying organize for success. Many times the word organize makes us feel very heavy. It makes us feel intimidated. So your angels are asking you to, once you organize for success, which means you declutter whatever is not required and you allow yourself to organize a little bit, it will help you get more success. This also means that focus on what kind of job you want, and then only you can attract that kind of job. So everything else which is not serving you, declutter it, remove it from your surroundings, delete the old files which are not required, organize your house space, organize your office space. Even if you are working from home, organize your office space. This card also is telling me that light a candle or a diya in your house, which will connect you to the divine. Maybe you can buy some beautiful flowers and decorate your house, or connect to the energy of flowers. This is also a guidance for you to listen to music or connect to music. Music has a lot of healing power, and music can, music overall can heal you. So if you feel like you can listen to binaural beats for job, there are a lot of audios available on YouTube. These binaural beats align your frequency to abundance. So you can listen, you just go on YouTube and type binaural beats for job or binaural beats for abundance and listen to it daily. Moreover, you are asked to organize your schedule and create a routine for you so that you can attract the kind of job you want. In the overview of conflict which is going on in your mind, once you focus and declutter, you will get more clarity about what kind of job you would like to attract, and then a lot of things will change for you. So if you have chosen stack number 1, the guidance for you is do all of this and you will very soon attract a new job. Let's go to stack number 2. So for all those who chose stack number 2, which is Amethyst. So Amethyst also deals with a lot of psychic abilities. So probably your psychic abilities are increasing. You are connecting more to your spiritual power, and that's why this angel, you have chosen this and you are drawn to this deck. So let us open choice number 2. Alright. So friends, this card is telling you that maybe you are afraid of taking action, maybe you are worried about what is coming up to you. You are moreover sitting on the fence, which means you're not taking any action. Maybe you are extra cautious, or you are afraid of what others are talking about you, which is making you not believe in your authentic power. So if you have chosen this card, you're really afraid of what is going on. Although you have made some money, although you have a lot of creative energy in you, you're not paying attention to it and you are playing rather what we call as safe. So if you have confusion, Archangel Gabriel asks you to create a vision board with images that inspire you. So this is a very good way to disconnect from the energy of not having to the energy of having. So when you make a vision board, what happens is you connect, you have that childlike energy. So look at what kind of jobs you want. Maybe if you're looking to work with a company, take a printout of their logo, paste it over vision boards. I already have a video which talks about vision boards, so you can connect to that video. In short, be sure about what you want and openly, when you make a vision board, you give it to the universe and you tell the universe that this is what I'm looking for. And once you do that, you will see abundance arriving in many different forms, which means a new job or a promotion, a change of job. I also feel around December, around Christmas time, because there is Santa, you will get a new job or you will get some new opportunities if you have chosen this card, which is barely 2.5, 3 months away. So also connect to the energy of animals. If you like playing with animals, do that. I see a lot of abundance coming on for you if you have chosen this stack. So that was for you if you chosen stack 2. Finally, if you chose stack 3, this is the energy of black tourmaline, which says you are protected, you are grounded, and let us see what are the cards which reveal. So this moon card can have a lot of meanings, but what my intuition is telling me is you have a lot of conflict of emotions between the heart and the mind, or between being in your ego versus being in your spirit. So the two sides, you have a lot of thoughts going on. What will happen? How will I get it? So it's best to trust your intuition when it comes to looking for a job. Angels ask you to take some time out and look for some kind of time away from your work. The retreat card says that spend some quiet time, maybe in nature, maybe in your home garden, or just looking out of window to get inspired ideas. You may even meditate to know what is it that you want. You could also watch, if you traveled in the past 2-3 years, look at the photos of your travel, and that can also give you some good relaxation. Amazing card which talks about attracting, not chasing. Many times when we chase something, we do not get what we truly desire. So rather than running behind something, because the more you run behind something, the farther it moves. So instead, just be in the energy of receiving. Don't chase, just know what you want, express gratitude, and send out love and a welcoming energy. And you can simply say, I'm now ready to receive what I truly deserve and what I truly desire. I feel this card also talks about you getting some new opportunities, maybe from an overseas client or something happening in that way. So yes, once you are in the energy of receiving, you will definitely receive a new job. So this was the reading for you if you are looking for a new job, or a new, if you're unemployed, if you're looking for a new job, or if you are in a job, you're looking for something new, this reading could work for you. I hope this reading makes sense to you. If you resonate with this reading, drop a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and share it with as many people as you want. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, IGTV, my Facebook page as well. And for more on my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. This is Ashwini Chube. I do offer personalized angel card and tarot readings, and I'm also a coach if you're looking for any guidance in terms of your career, your romance and love life, and even in terms of health and healing. Thank you very much, and do not forget to share this with everyone who deserves to see it. Thank you, and wherever you are, I'm sending loads of angelic love and blessings. Have a lovely day. Thank you.